Hello, good day. My name is Markin Jelsi Pangilinan. I am 32 years old, 180 centimeters height, 75 kilogram. I have 3 brothers and I am the eldest. I am graduated as a Bachelor of Science in Criminology last 2012 in Interworld College, Tarlac City, Philippines. I worked before in Saudi Arabia as a factory worker and chocolate decorator last 2016 to 2018. I worked also in United Arab Emirates, Dubai, last 2018 to 2020. My position is salesman. I worked also in Metro Manila, Philippines, last 2021 to 2023 as a houseboy and taking care of a 78 years old man. My duties are, I do medication, bring the elder in hospital, change diaper, cleaning the house, massage therapies, cooking, ironing the clothes of the elderly, and I have a lot of experience. Thank you and hope to see you in Hong Kong. Bye.